Hey guys, George from SME here, bringing you another one of Vizlib's awesome value add products for Qlik Sense. And I think that this is the one that I've actually been working with the longest, back when it was the Climber extension, and that is the Finance Report. Now, everybody that's worked in finance has probably done a P&L report or two, and I'm willing to guess that if you did it in Excel, Crystal Reports, or another reporting tool, that it was a pain in the butt to build out, and it was probably very frustrating through every step of the process. Well, Vizlib is here to take away all of that headache and allow you to build out these P&L reports right here within Qlik Sense. So let's go ahead and take a look. So obviously the big benefit about P&L report is right here in your Qlik Sense dashboard. You don't have to have another tool to do it. So you're seeing how this is probably different from a straight or a normal pivot table, where you've got the groupings of your specific metrics, where in this case you have actual budget and then the actual versus budget grouped by the dates up here at the top. But then you have these dimensions, which these dimensions, I mean, for the most part, they look like metrics. And that's where a P&L report comes in. You can do this in a pivot table, but it's going to require a lot of heavy data modeling. So you can go in and you can actually build out for these metrics, and you see here that we're breaking them out into attributes underneath it. So this is very powerful grouping. And obviously with Qlik Sense, you have the ability to go in and you can change up the filtering just like this. This is actually the Vizlib selection bar at work, and you're able to easily change the way that your report is outlined. Now, that's all great. Now, I know that a lot of people are going to want to be able to do some of this stuff into Excel. Now, what if I told you that you can get this exact report in Excel? So all we have to do is right click, export. I'll say export to Excel. See down here that it's going to go ahead and get downloaded. And when I bring it over here, what do you notice? All of the formatting just carries over right into Excel. So you don't have to go back in and do all of the different colorings and whatnot. You're easily able to just export and take this and start running with it. So I hope that's pretty impressive for everybody that's worked in finance, and probably seeing how much easier it is to do a P&L report than other tools. So if you guys would like to learn more about Vizlib or the Finance Report, reach out to us at info@smesgroup.com or right here in the comments below. Thanks, guys.